Hi, how are you all? I hope everyone doing well. So in this video we are going to start our B reading which we have in our first unit. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Let us see here. Every success story is also a story of great failures. So through this word we can get great realization about ourselves. So whenever we start a work, if we get unfortunately a failure, we can feel very bad about that. But dear students, what we have to learn from this story, from this title, every success story is a story of a great failure that we need to understand very importantly here today. And see, if you see all the great people, they did not get success at one attempt. They failed many times and they tried again and again at the same work and they become a successful person on that work. That's why they become today great personalities in our life. So in this story we are going to know about some of them, such a people. Okay, so I'm going to start the lesson, hoping everyone looking into your books very carefully. Failure is the highway to success. So basically what is the line here? Failure is the highway to success. Basically if you start a journey to go from one place to another place, you definitely need some way. So in the same way, if you want to go for this success, if you want to see success in your life, you need some way. The way is failure. So every time in one single attempt we won't get success. Definitely sometimes we will get failures, but we should not get disappointment with the failures. We should get some realization about ourselves and keep trying to get success until get success. That is our positive spirit in our everyone. So all the clever, all the bright people will do the same thing. So but the people who are half-minded, only they give up when they get the failure at first attempt. But clever people won't give up on the work. So if they get failure, definitely they will try again to do the same work and get success and get the result. Hope you are understanding all this. Okay. Tom Watson said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. You know, one of the great philosophers, that is Tom Watson, said, if you want to succeed, if you want to success, definitely you will get double failure rate. So how crazy about this? So basically, already I said before, if you want to success at a one single attempt, you won't maybe get success sometimes. So definitely there is double failure rate. There is double failure rate. But every failure we should make that as a highway to success. We should make that as a highway to success. I'm hoping you can definitely understand this. Okay. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. So dear students, what is telling us here? If you want to know about success and failure, if you study your history, every success story is a great failure. Every success story is a great failure. Already I said you. So today we have a number of successful people. But did they everyone get success at a one single attempt? No. So definitely they tried many times. They got many times failures. But they keep trying. That's why they became a successful person today in their life. So that is very important what we need to understand here. So if you study your history, you can definitely find number of successful stories as a great failures. Okay, but people don't see the failures. But people means you and me and all others who are being around ourselves, all only we are looking the success, but we are not seeing failure. You know, Mahatma Gandhi got freedom to the India. Only we are looking and we are studying and we are talking about that only. But at a single attempt, Mahatma Gandhi got freedom to India? No. So after a great struggle, after a number of sacrifications, so many people sacrificed their life for the freedom. So because of all these incidents, we got independent on 1947 on August 15th. So we are not looking that as a students, as a teacher, we are just looking. But people, number of are not not looking failures, but they are just watching success. So it is the thing which is happening by all of us in the society now. Next, they only see one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky, and everyone looking one side of the coin, and they are saying simply the person is lucky, that's why he became a successful person in his life. But how simply they are analyzing about a successful person, it is not the way to analyze. So it is not the way to analyze, but people are very easily analyzing about the successful people in this way. So he must have been at the right place at the right time. So what the people are thinking about successful people? Basically they are lucky persons. That's why they got success into their life, and they are being they got birth right place at the right time. So because of that they become a successful people into their life. Is this possible by them? No. So success won't come by the birth and by being a right place. So success will come into our life with the hard work, with the dedication, with the determination, with all the struggles. So these only will make success in our life to happen. But birth and luckness is won't work out. Maybe it takes a little contribution itself, but I can agree with that. But luckness only won't give success in our life. That we have to understand. So we have to keep trying, and we should make some knowledge, and we should do hard work. So these qualities only will make a person successful person to his life. So that is we need to understand, my dear students. Hope you can definitely understand it. Let me share someone's life history with you. So today I would like to share someone's life history with you. So are you willing to listen me? Definitely you are willing. Okay, I am continuing it. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21. You know, he started a business at just 21 years old, but he failed in that field. Maybe a number of reasons are there. Maybe the age is not fit for him to think and take a right decision to establish and run his business. Because of that, he might get that failure. So at the age of 21 years, he failed first time in his business. Was defeated in a legislative race at age 22. And the same person at the age of 22, again he got a 1 month failure in the legislative race. Failed again in business at age 24. Again the same person failed one more time at the age of 24 in the business. Overcame the death of his sweater at age 26. At the age of 26, unfortunately, he fought against with his death a lot, and he overcame his death. Had a nervous breakdown at the age 27. At the age of 27, his nervous breakdown. See how crazy situations are happening in his life. So last year, congressional race at age 34. Again the same person lost one more time, and he got failure one more time at the age of 34 in the congressional race. Last year, senatorial race at the age 45. Again in the race he lost one more time, he got failure at the age of 45 years. Failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47. At the age of 47, the same candidate lost vice president. So one more time he got a failure in his life. Lost a senatorial race at the age of 49. Again at the age of 49, the person failed one more time in the senatorial race and was elected president of United States at age 52. But at the age of 52, in this person, a great thing happened. He was elected as the president of United States. So how great thing it is happened. So after many failures, so he failed many times in business, senatorial races, and in his health, and also congressional races. So after all these failures, he became a successful person at the age of 52. So from the age of 21, he is getting failure again and again in his life. But he did not lose at any time to take a one more time challenge in his life. So because of that great attitude, at the age of 52, he became a President of the United States. That is none other than the man was Abraham Lincoln. Who is that? Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln achieved a great success in his life at the age of 52 years. But before this age, he failed many times in his life. But with any failure, he did not lose his confidence. Because of that great attitude, he became a wonderful person in his life. So, dear students, what should we realize from his life? Whenever we get a failures, how many failures we are getting, we don't mind anything else. We always keep trying on the same work to achieve until we get success. So, this is the positive way to be think. So, I hope you can definitely get some realization about the life story of Abraham Lincoln. So, Abraham Lincoln now became a President of United States of America at the age of 52 years. It is not a easy and a small event which is happening in his life. It's a very great event. It is a great success. That's why he became a world famous person because of that great success what he achieved in his life at the age of 52 years. So hope you can definitely understand it. And dear students, I will continue the story in our next video. Until then, everyone, happy and please read this story once again and until you get good clarity. So see you then, everyone. So please take a good practice. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, everyone, see you and have a nice day.